In the dynamic world of textiles, precision and efficiency are paramount. Textile manufacturing, meet the EDDY Pump, a versatile solution that revolutionizes the textile industry. EDDY Pump in action. Designed to excel in abrasive and viscous fluid environments, it's the unsung hero of textile applications. EDDY Pump features. Join us as we uncover the remarkable applications of the EDDY Pump in this vibrant industry. Application of our slurry pumps in the textile industry. Explore how EDDY Pump technology plays a pivotal role in textile processes. Dye and pigment handling. Dye and pigment handling becomes a breeze with the EDDY Pump, ensuring uniform colors and textures. Chemical additive delivery. Chemical additives are delivered with precision, enhancing the quality of textile treatments. Wastewater management. Efficient wastewater management is the key to a sustainable textile industry. Fiber blending and preparation. Fiber blending and preparation are seamlessly achieved with the power of EDDY Pump. Filter press feeding. Filter presses are powered by the EDDY Pump, ensuring efficient separation of solids from liquids. Synthetic fiber production. Continuous flow in synthetic fiber production is maintained by the EDDY Pump. Coating and finishing. Coating and finishing processes are streamlined thanks to the EDDY Pump's reliability. Sludge handling. Effortless management of sludges ensures a clean and organized textile facility. Printing paste preparation. The preparation of printing pastes becomes a seamless process with the EDDY Pump. Application of EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging in the textile industry. While not a common practice, there are unique scenarios where hydraulic dredging could intersect with textiles. Wastewater treatment ponds. Maintenance of wastewater treatment ponds ensures efficient textile manufacturing. Water intake channels. Clearing water intake channels help maintain water quality for textile processes. Plant infrastructure. Infrastructure maintenance addresses sediment accumulation in textile plant areas. Water recycling systems. Water recycling systems benefit from occasional sediment removal to maintain efficiency. In the world of textiles, precision and efficiency are non-negotiable. Thriving textile facility. Ready to elevate your textile processes with the EDDY Pump? Contact us today, and together let's redefine efficiency in the textile industry. Visit our website or call our experts. Welcome to the future of textile manufacturing. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.